I'm Nick Boyce, and this is the ADM Edible Bean Cleaning Facility.
I'm Leo Mullenkamp.
I'm Brian Marlatt.
And I'm Rebecca Osborne.
The goal for this project is it's become a multi-year project to build a functional cleaning facility here in the ADM Agricultural Innovation Center to use for teaching in the future years to come. It is being designed to handle dry edible beans such as navy beans like you'd see, and baked beans that you eat a lot, and then black beans and small red beans you'll get in soups and chilies and various other kinds of dry beans that aren't soybeans, which is what most of the only kind of beans anyone's ever seen. But anyways, and we have a quick layout here of what the future facility will look at. It includes multiple cleaners, aspirator, a destoner, gravity tables for density sorting, and a color sorter at the end. Plus we'll have all the vibratory equipment and storage necessary to run the facility as effectively as possible while still learning how they work. And I'll throw it over to Becca.
On our bean board, we've got samples of beans as each of the steps as they go through the cleaning process. This is the field sample when it comes out of the field. Then they go through a cleaner where the trash and the splits and coals are pulled off. After they go through the cleaner, they go through what's called the destoner, where stones such as these come out. This is the result. Then they go through the gravity table where they're placed into 3 different cuts, from best to worst. The middle cut is rerun. Finally, they go through the color sorter. These are what are accepted. Then they go through the cleaner once more, and you arrive at your finished product.
Here we have a hazard monitoring system set up on an elevator leg. It's a T500 and R500 hot bus system. So the T500 is hooked up to nodes. Each node can handle 4 sensors. This system can hold 64 nodes per T500, and this is just relaying the information to shut off the equipment when responded to. Nick will go into more detail about how each piece of hazard monitoring equipment works.
On this particular leg, we have a touch switch here, and it measures like the belt alignment, and you can just always check the switch by twisting the knob in and out, and it'll simulate like the belt being off a line. We have a speed sensor down here at the bottom. It measures the speed off the bearing and the shaft of the leg, and we have a temperature sensor that measures the temperature of the bearing. And then we have also up here like a auto set, which is like a bin level indicator. This will be mounted in a bin, and it will measure when the grain hits it, if you're filling a bin, or if you are dumping out of a bin to shut off your fill equipment or your removal equipment. You have like a touch switch here, which can be used for like a plug switch, and if your spout got clogged, this sensor would be tripped and it would kill your feed. Like currently we have the light going off because the switch is tripped. And then let's say your spout cleaned out, you'd release, and your sensor after a couple seconds will clear out. That there was simulating when the grain level came up, it hit the auto set and it set the sensor off and shut down our feed conveyor into the bin.